Christmas shopping? Jesus, Louise, these people are trying to sing over here. Don't make me. You know I will come down there and I will spank your ass raw.